18-year-old Nasir Jones was one of 3 men arrested in May in connection to an attempted armed robbery on West Fair Avenue in Marquette. Jones was sentenced Friday morning under the Holmes Youthful Trainee Act in accordance with a plea agreement entered in June. This results in no conviction being enrolled in Jones's case, and records of the court's deposition of his sentence will be sealed. Prosecuting attorney Matt Weesey emphasized that the case was carefully reviewed before considering such a sentence.
And basically, they were trying to get some marijuana, and the plan was hatched, and it was a dumb plan, and it was a dangerous plan. Our assessment of the case, both law enforcement and my office, was that we're glad that nothing worse happened here.
Of the remaining suspects in the case, 22-year-old Isaiah Achesa will be sentenced on July 31st, and 21-year-old Stefan Akins will appear for a final pretrial hearing on October 9th before heading to trial in November. 18-year-old Philip Robinson pleaded guilty to the charge of attempted extortion. This charge is a felony punishable by up to 5 years in prison. Robinson was arrested in January after an investigation into his possession of nude photos of local female victims, which he was accused of using to extort those victims. He is scheduled to appear for sentencing September 3rd. 21-year-old Willie Sims pleaded no contest to uttering and publishing a counterfeit bill or note. Sims was arrested after an incident in January in which he passed a counterfeit $20 bill to a Jimmy John's delivery person. He will be sentenced on September 18th. In Marquette, Andy Cooley, ABC 10 and CW5.